We've got 540 watts of good solar coming in this morning. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Lord.
She said.
We are camped down there somewhere. I can see some white RV tops, but we're like probably 12 miles away. We're now on the natural entrance to Carlsbad Caverns. They have a natural entrance that you can hike down, or they have an elevator that you can take down. We are going to take the elevator back out once we get done. We're going to take the natural entrance in.
I don't like somebody running down my back, you know what I mean?
Right, I like to have people 6 miles away from me if I could. Not our subscribers, of course. We love our subscribers. Now this is 1.25 miles, this whole self-guided tour of the cave. With this being a national park, masks are required anytime you're inside or anytime you cannot social distance.
So please don't touch anything while you're down in the cave. On the same note, please stay on the path. It's there for a reason. If you go wandering off the path, you might break something, but probably more likely you're going to fall down into a dark hole in the back, and then I'm going to have to lift you up out of the hole. I don't want to have to do that. In the same way, I don't want to have to lift your quarters or your dimes or your pennies or your toy cars or any other knickknacks or trash that you want to throw down into the holes or pits or anything like that throughout the cave. There are no wishing wells, only cursing wells, because I'm going to curse you when I have to clean your stuff up out of there. Other than that, the main thing for everybody else's safety is that we do keep our mask on while we're in the cave. It does take 36 hours for the air to circulate up and out of the cave. So you're breathing everybody's air from yesterday, and tomorrow everybody's still going to be breathing your air. So masks here are very, very important. We also need you to keep your voice down while you're in the cave. Voices can carry a very long time in that underground rock room, about 1/4 mile. Someone can hear a normal talking voice. So keep your secrets to yourself. Act like you're in a church or a library or something like that, and you'll be just fine. Only other thing, these are the last bathrooms before you get to the bottom of the cave. It's 1.25 miles of walking and 800 feet down. It takes most people 1 hour to 1.5 hours to get there. No one's going to lend you their water bottle for your emergency going down into the cave. So now is your chance. Other than that, if you guys want to take any pictures, flash photography, use your phone camera to just take the light out and look at something up close, feel free to do that. Just make sure you're not blinding anybody with any of your lights. Everybody else's eyes are adjusted to the dim light down there. So if you don't need to go to the bathroom, the cave's about 60 feet that way.
Here's the natural entrance to the cave. Lead the way, Mama.
What is that, honey?
Just a bird.
Like a hawk or an eagle?
Looks like a hawk, chicken hawk. Mm-hmm. That looks like a face mask. Gotta love face masks. Looky there. As we entered the caverns, it was just like going into another world, another time. The deeper we went, the darker it got. My extra lighting did okay, but it wasn't sufficient in the real dark areas to make a good video. Okay, we're officially inside the cave now. Got some artificial lighting, so maybe you can see a little better. You can probably see a little better than I can. Takes a while for your eyes to adjust in here. Here we are with some artificial lighting. We are now getting close to the black hole. And you can look up here and see why they call it that. Okay, this is one of the darker parts of the cave. This is just past the black hole. The natural, or the added lighting is helping a little, not much. We are now entering the dark zone.
Edge of the twilight zone.
Yeah, Connie said the twilight zone. What is out here, maybe? We see anything at all? No, the lighting's not good enough. I guess they want it to be known as the dark zone. Okay, we're in a little more lighted area right now. This is so beautiful. So thankful God allowed me to see this. And this is water on our left. You could drink that with no problem. They say it takes several years for water to get through here, through this rock, into the cave. Can you guys see the mist? I can see the mist. And there's water, raindrops dropping down through it. It's so awesome. This is kind of steep right here. I'll tell you, visiting these national parks, it wears on you. It takes its toll. This is called the whale's mouth. I don't know whether we're getting any of this or not, but this is another very, very dark area we're in with the added lighting. We have went down and down and down and down. Now they say there's a cafe down here at the bottom where you can get snacks or eat, and then we take the elevator back up. I'm not walking back up. Sorry. I believe we just now went into section K. There was a marker back there that said K. You see little things like this going off to the side and you wonder where they go, have they been explored. Little tight quarters right here. And then we got steps. Looks like we might be going back up. Maybe we have reached the bottom. We're in another very dark part of Carlsbad Caverns right now. A little tight through here. Most of the cavern is wide open. But you have a few spots that are kind of tight. Green Lake Room. Again, we're here in late November, very late November, and the bats are gone. We was told they probably would be. I watched a video that said they came in November and they seen the bats, but maybe it was early November. This is a very steep grade walking down in here. I do have a knee problem. It's bothering it quite a bit, but after some rest, it'll be back to normal. Switchback after switchback, Carlsbad Caverns. Very rarely have we went back up since we started our descent. I believe it looks like we're going back up now. Whew, that was quite a climb, up and down. Another dark area. closed part of the cave. I really hope you guys are enjoying this. If you've watched this long, please like, please subscribe, and please share. We are right now about 100 yards from the elevator, so we're going to just make our way over to the elevator and head on back up top. Campground.